morning and welcome in. It may not be good morning, it may be good afternoon. I don't know, but hello, how you doing? Today we are almost done with Unit 3, going over earth layers, rocks and minerals. But today's that test. So hopefully you reviewed well yesterday. And today you got this. You are taking your Unit 3 test. So right here underneath me skateboarding with that raccoon is the Unit 3 test. You're going to click that link. It is a Google form, and it's going to walk you right through all of what to do. If you are one of our extra help people that get that test read to them, right here, Unit 3 test read aloud, click that YouTube video. All it's on there is me reading that test. Okay, so if you need that little extra help reading that test to you, click right there. It's all there for you. Okay, good luck. Remember to click submit when you are finished. When you are done, please take that extra time. We are getting ready to go into Thanksgiving break. We want everybody to have a wonderful, restful break. Get caught up. In fact, that's what we're doing tomorrow. It's a catch-up day. Woohoo! No work tomorrow. It is get caught up tomorrow. But you'll see me tomorrow with a video for that. So good luck. Click submit when you're done, and we will see you tomorrow.